Welcome to eiwayshop. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup with a focus on beginners. If you're new to makeup, or just looking to master some easy, everyday looks, you've come to the right place. We'll walk you through 9 simple and stunning makeup looks that are perfect for beginners. These looks are designed to be quick, easy to follow, and perfect for enhancing your natural beauty. Let's get started. 1. The natural look. Our first look is the natural look. This is perfect for everyday wear and focuses on enhancing your features without heavy makeup. Start with a lightweight foundation or BB cream to even out your skin tone. Apply a concealer under your eyes and on any blemishes. Use a soft, neutral eyeshadow on your lids. Think beige or light brown. Lightly fill in your brows for a polished look and finish with a coat of mascara. Add a touch of blush to your cheeks and a nude lipstick or lip gloss. This look is all about subtlety and showcasing your natural beauty. 2. The no makeup look. The no makeup look is a step up from the natural look, giving you a flawless finish while still looking effortless. Start with a primer to create a smooth base. Use a light to medium coverage foundation and blend it well. Apply concealer where needed. For your eyes, stick to neutral tones and use a soft brown eyeshadow in the crease for a bit of definition. Add a thin line of eyeliner close to your lash line and a couple of coats of mascara. Lightly contour your face to add some dimension and use a highlighter on the high points of your face. Finish with a soft pink blush and a lip tint or balm. 3. The classic winged eyeliner. Next, we have the classic winged eyeliner. This look is simple yet elegant and can be worn day or night. Start with your usual base makeup, foundation, concealer, and a bit of setting powder. For the eyes, use a neutral eyeshadow as a base. Now, using a liquid or gel eyeliner, draw a thin line starting from the inner corner of your upper eyelid. Gradually thicken the line as you move towards the outer corner. To create the wing, draw a small line from the outer corner of your eye upwards towards the end of your eyebrow. Connect this line back to the main eyeliner line and fill in the space. Finish with mascara and a soft blush. Pair this look with a nude or bold lip depending on your preference. 4. The fresh and dewy look. The fresh and dewy look is perfect for those who want a radiant, glowing complexion. Start with a hydrating primer and a dewy foundation. Use a luminous concealer under your eyes and on any high points of your face you want to highlight. Skip the powder for this look or use it sparingly. For your eyes, use a cream eyeshadow in a soft, shimmery shade. Apply a couple of coats of mascara. Use a cream blush for a natural flush, and highlight your cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of your nose. Finish with a hydrating lip gloss or a tinted lip balm for a fresh, youthful look. The everyday smoky eye. The everyday smoky eye is a toned-down version of the classic smoky eye, making it perfect for beginners. Start with a primer and your usual foundation and concealer routine. For the eyes, choose a palette with neutral shades. Apply a light brown eyeshadow all over your lid as a base. Use a darker brown shade in the crease and blend well. Apply a dark brown or charcoal shade to the outer corner of your eyes and blend into the crease. Line your upper lash line with a dark eyeliner and smudge it slightly. Apply a generous coat of mascara. Keep the rest of your makeup simple with a light blush and a nude or pink lip color. 6. The monochromatic look. The monochromatic look is all about using the same color family for your eyes, cheeks, and lips. This look is easy to achieve and very cohesive. Start with your base makeup. Choose a color that you love. Pink, peach, or bronze work well. Apply a wash of this color on your eyelids. Use the same shade or a slightly darker one in the crease for some definition. Apply the same color to your cheeks as blush. Finish with a matching lip color. This look is great because it's straightforward and looks very put together. 7. The bold lip. For those days when you want to make a statement with minimal effort, go for the bold lip look. Start with your usual base makeup routine. Keep your eye makeup simple with a neutral eyeshadow, a thin line of eyeliner, and mascara. The focus of this look is on the lips, so choose a bold color like red, berry, or plum. Make sure to line your lips with a matching lip liner to prevent the color from bleeding. Fill in with your chosen lipstick. This look is quick, easy, and instantly elevates your appearance. 8. The soft glam look. The soft glam look is perfect for occasions when you want to look polished, but not overdone. Start with a primer and a medium coverage foundation. Use concealer to brighten under your eyes and cover any blemishes. Set with a light dusting of powder. For the eyes, use a soft, shimmery eyeshadow on the lid and a slightly darker shade in the crease. Line your upper lash line with a brown or black eyeliner and smudge it slightly. Apply a generous coat of mascara. Use a bronzer to warm up your face and a highlighter on the high points of your face. Finish with a peach or pink blush and a matching lip color. 9. The quick and easy 5-minute look. Finally, we have the quick and easy 5-minute look. Perfect for those mornings when you're short on time but still want to look put together. Start with a BB cream or tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone. Use a concealer where needed. Apply a cream blush to your cheeks and a bit on your eyelids for a quick wash of color. Use a brow gel to quickly groom and define your brows. Apply mascara to your lashes. Finish with a tinted lip balm or a gloss. This look is all about speed and simplicity, giving you a fresh and polished appearance in no time. There you have it, 9 easy makeup looks for beginners. Each of these looks is designed to be simple yet effective, helping you build your confidence with makeup. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find the looks that work best for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to eiwayshop for more beauty tips, tutorials, and trends. Let us know in the comments which makeup look you're excited to try or share your own beginner-friendly makeup tips. Stay beautiful and see you in the next video.